What if I told you that you can get paid every single month without having to work? This is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. It's actually very simple. It's passive income, so it doesn't require any active time from you whatsoever. So make sure you pay attention and learn how you can get paid every single month. I also have a surprise for you at the end of the video, so make sure you stay in tune so that you do not miss out on that. Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming Crawfish YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in for today's video. I have a very important message today where I'm going to show you exactly how you can get paid every single month without having to work. This is through dividend investing in the stock market. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how to pick stocks that are actually good paying monthly dividend companies, because there's actually a lot of very terrible monthly paying dividend stocks that you definitely need to stay away from as far as possible. But before we get started, make sure you check out the links in the description. $10 for M1 Finance, a free stock with Robinhood. As long as you use the referral links in the description, $5 for Acorns. I use every single one of these brokerages and I absolutely love them. Mercari, my favorite buying and selling platform, $10 off any purchase. And also my favorite secured credit card. You get $50 of absolutely free money for you to spend as long as you use that link in the description. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So dividend stocks usually pay you quarterly, meaning 4 times a year, every 3 months. Monthly dividend stocks, however, they pay you every single month out of the year. Yes, that's right. So that's giving you some advantages. There are over 2,700 dividend stocks in America. Only 300 of them pay you every single month. But these are the top stocks that pay you monthly. I'm going to reveal these to you. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with number 1, O Realty Income. So this is a stock that has been in the stock market for a very long time, and it's actually known as the monthly paying dividend company, and they're actually very proud of that. So O stock pays a dividend of 3.41%, and it pays it monthly with very high growth since 1994, beating the S&P 500. They are a real estate investment trust which rents properties they own to big companies like Walgreens, 7-Eleven, FedEx, and Walmart. So it's a very secure company that has been doing consistently and killing it in the market. So and this is Main Street Capital. So this stock pays 5.82% every single month. They lend money out to smaller companies in order to help them improve their business, and just like the other one, it's always been growing since the history of the market. So I always like to look at max charts of any stock because that gives an indication of the performance on the overall stock since the beginning. So like I said, I only focus on growing companies like this that are consistently making higher highs, because that's how you know that it's a great company for you to grow your money with. So now for the third one. Alright, so now this is LTC. This is another REIT, real estate investment trust. This one pays a 4.31% dividend that pays it out monthly. They focus on retirement homes and nursing facilities. These are actually very secure because once they're established, they pretty much run them forever. And nursing homes are something that will always be in demand. And this is a dominant player in that industry. And you want to own dominant players in any industry that you can get your hands on, because there's pretty much money everywhere, so you might as well take some of the profits. So now for the next stock, this is SHAW. This is a Canadian company that focuses on providing internet service. So they're an internet service provider, telecommunications company. They also provide mobile cell phone service in Canada. Also a very consistent stock that pays a monthly dividend every single month. So pretty cool feature that all of these stocks have in common. And this Canadian service provider pays 4.41% dividend every single month. And all of these stocks pretty much uptrend through the max chart. They're always making higher highs. That's what I absolutely love about the stocks. They're not your typical monthly dividend company that naturally tends to go down in value. These ones are very consistent and at least stay pretty flat, or they tend to go up, because with dividend stocks you don't really care if it goes up in value. All you're really investing in is for the dividends. Alright, so this is Pembina, PVA. This is a Canadian oil transportation company that pays a 4.88% dividend. And this stock price gets affected a lot by oil prices, but overall it's pretty flat, and all you're investing in these companies is for the dividend. So as long as it continues to pay the dividend, you're all set. And these stocks have been doing it consistently for a very long time. So I would feel very safe investing money in order to get a monthly paycheck from any of these companies. So now SPHC, this is a combination of many stocks in one that pays you a dividend monthly. If you want to be safe, you can just invest in this one by itself. It's very diversified. You never have to worry about this stock going down in value, because it's basically going to track the S&P 500, but it's going to be focused on dividends, and this is going to pay you monthly. So yeah, it's always growing like the S&P 500. So now there's also this other strategy where you can also just buy a few blue chip dividend companies and space them out so that they pay every month. So for example, Walmart stock pays 1.8% in January. Disney stocks pays 1.3% in January. PepsiCo stock pays 2.7%. Apple 1.2%. Microsoft 1.41%. Coca-Cola 2.9%. So now combine 5 to 6 companies and get paid every single month. These are the best companies to watch if you want passive income that pays you monthly. So in order to get started, all you have to do is download like Robinhood and just buy a share of Walmart, one share of Disney, one share of PepsiCo, one share of Apple, one share of Procter & Gamble, all of these, and just keep on adding one more share like every 2 to 3 months that you receive a paycheck. Just continue saving money so that you add more shares, which will increase your dividend payment every single month. You can also do this with M1 Finance, and that way you can add all of these stocks and just put like $5 to $10 every single month into any of these stocks. And if you have a portfolio of all of these, you'll see how crazy this monthly paycheck will compound over time, especially if you're adding about $200 to $500 every single month to the portfolio that contains every single one of the stocks, because basically every single month you're going to get paid no matter what the stocks do, as long as you keep them in your portfolio. So now for the surprise. So make sure you pay attention to this list. Make sure you read it closely, because these are dividend aristocrats. All of these companies have been paying a dividend and have been raising their dividend yield every single year for more than 25 years. Yes, this is right. So 25 years of raising and continuing to pay their dividend yield. And I have them outlined here by the month that they pay out their dividend. That way you can add all of these in your portfolio. If you simply just get Robinhood and buy a share in every single one of these stocks, or with M1 Finance, just add all of these and put like $500 a month, you'll be astonished by how much money you'll eventually make per month just by holding these dividend stocks. It's gonna be insane. All you have to do is get started. Start small. With M1 Finance, you can do it with less than $100 to get started. And I have a link in the description to get some free money to get started. So that's pretty much all that you have to do in order for you to start receiving paychecks every single month that don't require your time. All you have to do is save some money so that you can invest it into any of these stocks, and this will pretty much guarantee you a monthly cash flow that will be there forever, for a lifetime. Alright, so there you go, subscribers. Thank you all so much for tuning in for today's video. I hope that you learned how to develop a monthly cash flow system that you can get started today in order for you to receive money every single month without needing to work or step outside of your house. So make sure you like the video, comment down below what did you think of this video, and make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel if you're new here. We're all about being a profitable investor. A lot of videos that can help you make more money in the long run. So thank you all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.